Hey, where are you headed?
Going to the office.
You got to be kidding me.
Yeah.
You need some help, man? You look miserable. Come on. So wait a minute. So your boss, he didn't give you the day off, but he put you up at our hotel.
Yeah.
Is that what went down?
Yeah. So, someone's got to go in.
Now, I know you're not going to say mean things about your boss, but how you feel about going to work today?
Hey, I'm from Buffalo. I'm used to this.
No, that's not. Oh, so you're from Buffalo. That's what I'm hearing from people in Buffalo. That ain't nothing compared to what happened there this year.
It's like spring break.
What the final scramble looked like in New York City. Drivers working to beat the clock as the snow rolled in. Crowded roads filled with rush hour